Welcome to our series, We're Here to Help, presented by the Student Business Services Office at Estrella Mountain Community College. In this video we will guide you through the steps to set up a payment plan to pay for tuition. Let's get started. First, some things to know: our payment plans should be in place by no later than 6 p.m. the day tuition is due. Each campus and semester requires a new and unique payment plan. Each time a plan is started, it costs $40 and $25 of that is non-refundable. Payments are always scheduled for the 5th of each month or the first business day after the 5th if it falls on a weekend or a bank holiday. Before starting, you will need your MEID, password, bank information, and be enrolled in at least one class. If more classes are added after the inception of a new payment plan, the system will adjust accordingly to withdraw for the current balance when payment is deducted. If classes are dropped within the refund deadline, the payment plan will also adjust down accordingly. You will always be notified by email when your payment plan is adjusted. Now, let's get started. As always, begin in the Student Center at maricopa.edu. Next, click on Financial Accounts. Verify your courses and charges for each semester. If 2 semesters are active at once, say for summer and the following fall, you will see 2 lines with separate balances. Remember, you must set up payment plans for each semester individually even though Nelnet will show your total balance of both semesters combined. Next, click on Financial Accounts, then make a payment. Please note, if you have any financial aid pending and that pending aid is higher than your tuition, you won't need to start a payment plan, nor will the system allow you to move forward with creation of a payment plan. Click on the Select button under View Payment Options on the right-hand side. You will now be redirected to Nelnet to create your account or update an existing account from previous use. If this is your first time logging into Nelnet, you will be asked to provide your address, phone number, and email associated to your student account profile. Then, navigate through the phone authentication page. Next, click the Set Up Payment Plan button. You will see a notice regarding payment plans only running through the end of the class or semester. For example, if your class starts in August and ends in December, your balance will be spread across this 5-month period and not go past December. If your class begins in August and ends in October, your balance will be spread across 2 payments in September and October and not run past the October month end. Payment plans are most beneficial when started early to spread out the payments for a longer time frame. Review the payment plan details and choose how you want to set up your plan. Your 2 choices are either a deduction from your bank account or a deduction from a credit or debit card. We highly recommend using a bank account rather than a card number. In the event your card expires or needs to be updated, the payments would cease in Nelnet on the old card and potentially end your payment plan. Finally, review the information you entered and the billing dates and confirm the $40 starter payment. Once finished, you will receive an email confirmation. We recommend setting a reminder for yourself that payments are scheduled on the 5th of each month. That way if there is an issue, you can resolve it. In the event that a payment is unsuccessful, another attempt will be made on the 20th of the month and a $10 fee will be charged to the payment plan. If a second failed payment occurs, Nelnet will automatically terminate the plan. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or want to speak to our department, please call us or chat with us at the link provided below during office hours. Have a great semester at EMCC.